Hi there, story buddies. I'm sure you all have heard about 12 Days of Christmas. But have you read 12 Dogs of Christmas? Let's see what these 12 little dogs are up to. The 12 Dogs of Christmas. It's one little pup's first Christmas, and he's ready for some fun. Everyone seems to be busy. There are so many things to be done. Outside, he spies two dachshunds who are trudging to and fro. It's hard delivering Christmas cards when you are sinking in the snow. Something smells deliciously good. It's next door's Christmas cake. Three drooling Dalmatians make sure it's ready to bake. Now it's time to go and pick the perfect Christmas tree. Four French bulldogs try to help, but will they all agree? The bakery in the high street is filled with scrumptious things. Five golden retrievers yarn for five golden rings. Down at the deli, Christmas treats are piled up on the shelves. Six Scotties just can't wait and snaffle a feast for themselves. Christmas trees in every house sparkle with twinkling light. Seven stylish spaniels try to make theirs just as bright. Along the road, a Christmas wreath gives out a festive greeting, but eight leaping Labradors decide it's there for eating. Ding dong, the doorbell rings. It's carol singers outside. When nine beagles howl along, the pup just wants to hide. The Christmas presents are almost wrapped when somebody comes for tea. 10 collies help with the gifts and herd them under the tree. Out in the park, the frosty snowmen lose their cozy clothes. 11 pugs looked very well dressed, and who's found a carrot nose? Sledges go whizzing down the hill, zigzagging in a blur. 12 chihuahuas slide and spin in a tangle of snowy fur. It's Christmas Eve and everyone's ready to watch the children's play. But reindeer dogs and elves run riot and someone jumps on the sleigh. Peace and quiet descends at last. This pup has had a ball. There's one more Christmas treat for him. The best surprise of all. How did you like the whole chaotic Christmas with the 12 dogs here? We'll see you next time with the next story, with the next reading session. Till then, goodbye.